A very good morning to our respected principal, heads, beloved teachers, fellow batchmates, and dear juniors. As I stand here today, I can't help but look back at the familiar blue building of our school, the place where we built not just academic excellence, but a world of memories. I still remember the first day I walked in, cranky, gripping my backpack like it was my life raft, and pulling my mom's dupatta while wailing that I don't want to go into my class. And today I walk out with a suitcase full of memories, a backpack packed with wisdom, and a heart so full that it might just overflow. From forgetting homework, from forgetting lunch boxes, but never forgetting birthdays, we've grown together, not just in height and grades, but in kindness, resilience, and spirit. The laughter echoing in the corridors, the ringing of the school bell, the last minute hustle to submit the project, sneaking into class unnoticed, it all feels like it just happened yesterday. And yet, here we are, standing on the threshold of something new, something bigger. They say, जिंदगी रुकती नहीं है, बस मोड़ ले लेती है, और यादें बनती रहे, यही उम्मीद देती है. And to give a crowning touch to that expression, I'd like to dedicate a self-composed poem to our entire batch. The sun will rise, the winds will blow, the rivers move where they must go. No need to chase, no need to race. Life unfolds in perfect grace. We grasp and train, we cry and try, forgetting clouds still drift the sky. But calmness holds a wiser way to trust the rhythm of the day. A flower blooms, not out of fear. It waits, then opens year by year. So let your heart grow slow, in peace, and from that stillness, find release. The mind, a sea, both deep and wide, can pull or push like a shifting tide. Yet, when it rests, the truth gleams through that all you seek is seeking you. So today, let's not be emotional because it's ending. Let's smile because we had the chance to be part of something this magical. Let's promise to flow like that river, gracefully, truthfully, and powerfully, into whatever comes next. Satpal Middle School has been that sacred riverbed, gently carving us, each one of us, into who we are today, emotionally, socially, and spiritually, as rightly said by our principal. Here we learned how to ask why, to think critically, to care deeply, to fall, most importantly, to rise back. To our dear teachers, आपने हमें सिर्फ समझा नहीं, आपने हमें पढ़ाया भी और हमारे साथ आगे भी चले. You've been the compasses in our storms, our cheerleaders, and at times our comic relief as well. To our principal, Rupinder Gokia, our guiding light, who gave every Satyan the wings to explore and the roots to return. You've been one of the 5 pillars in my life, ma'am. Your endless support, belief in my abilities, and your quiet strength made all the difference. We all are universally blessed to learn without limits under your guidance. The school gave me a recognition from a small town girl to a global teacher. To our juniors, yes, you're Gen Z, often misunderstood, often underestimated. But trust me, we are powerful, creative, and beautifully chaotic in the best way. You are now the torch bearers. Carry this legacy with courage, curiosity, and yes, a healthy dose of mischief. It keeps things fun. To our support staff, our didis, bhaiyas, gardeners, thank you so much. Thank you हमारे तरफ रोज smile करके देखने के लिए for हमारे क्लासरूम साफ रखने के लिए और आपके हर छोटे एक्ट के लिए जिसलिए हमारे बड़े बड़े फंक्शंस हो पाए. दिल से शुक्रिया आपका. And to my fellow batchmates, let this not be a goodbye, just a gentle pause in our shared story. We may part ways, but the annual day, the flawless SIF 4.0, the frantic project nights, the corridor whispers before surprise tests, they will stay with us like bookmarks in our favorite novel. As our batch would say, we were the guinea pigs of ISC, but we made it. We learned, adapted, laughed, and survived. And now, let's not fear the unknown. Let's welcome it. With open arms, curious minds, and hearts full of fire. Let's go to good universities, settle well, chase our dreams, and make our school and parents proud. Not just with our achievements, but also with our integrity. Thank you once again, Satpal Mittal School, for being that river that shaped us, the soil that grounded us, and the sky that taught us how to soar. This is not the end. This is a beginning. Let's grow forward together. Let's share, learn, and grow together. Thank you so much.